What is up, guys? Welcome back to another part of Ratchet and Clank with the part, and yeah, we'll get straight into it.
Junkbot, what would it take to get your Ruby on Forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue, and with the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has infected the system. Nothing will work until it is cleared.
I think I have just the friend who can help with that.
Just a
All
friend
yours,
indeed, bro. We got this. Be sure to like the video, guys. Comment, subscribe if you guys are new. Feedback is always appreciated, and all the support. Choo. Okay.
What was the training again? If you delete a virus, you can absorb the power they stole and use it to power the nuke pulse.
Nuke pulse. Oh my gosh, that did not sound good. Oh wait. Wait, he's got his shield up. What the? Oh right. So hold up, bruh. Here we go, bruh. Okay. Whoa, calm down. The new pulse. Get nuked, bud. Let's go. Where's this last one? It's just oh, what is this? Wait, what? Oh, it's right there.
Yes! The computer is starting to come back online, which means that firewall should be totally clear now. Time to squat! You are mine!
It's the last one. Okay, let's go.
Nuke. Glitch now? Well, you should be, cause I got the it's a trap!
Oh. It's all good. Nuke. Another nuke.
We'll see you again soon, Glitch. If your luck continues to hold.
Is that
GG
the
glitch.
virus? Someone has to stop them before they evolve even more. But that's not a problem here. The Ruby on Forge has a clean bill of health now, so you can take over, Ratchet.
knew you could do it, Glitch. Thank you.
Work, Ratchet. You are all clear to power up the forge.
How do we do that?
By finding the power source. Last I saw it was down the stairs and past the pressure door. But FYI, it is a still spooky down there.
Okay, downstairs, bro. On there. Okay. Just get this.
A lot of door.
Oh. Whoops.
This must be where they generate the forge's power. But there is nothing here. Is Junkbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution. Now, let's find us some Blizon.
Oh. Jokes. Oh, who's that creature?
Is that?
Oi!
Stop shooting and run!
Oh,
It's him! It's Juice!
okay. Where the heck are we going? Oh, right.
We need to distract him. Is there... Oh god.
Just stay there,
Is there anything we can use
Wait for this
nearby?
massive door. Oh, crap! No! Oh my gosh. Alright, what do I do? Find. Okay, that's really helpful.
Try
Yeah.
smashing that glowing canister.
Nah. Get up, bro.
Weapons
Oh.
don't even phase him!
Bro, what the heck? Okay. Alright, let me go way back so you can follow us. Come here. Oh crap, he's right there. Alright, quick. Open. Get. Oh, you idiot, bro. Oh, stuff this guy, bro. Let's go way back. Alright, is he following? Come on. Don't be a pussy. Hurry up, come through this way. Oh gosh, he stays in this one room. Over here, yep. Take your time. Nah, take your time, bro. You're all good. Ooh! Come on, you bastard. Open up! Open! Yes!
You know, for some reason, the dimension
Okay.
where the whole station's searching for us keeps looking better and better.
Heck, why was
At
that
least they
so
have the
hard?
lights on there.
Okay.
What's that sound?
Just keep moving.
There's the bird.
Ratchet, I do not see Blizon anywhere. The only place left to look is through the next blast door. But it seems very locked.
What if we follow those cables above us? Maybe we can power down the locks.
I think you are right. This time.
This time. Bro, you know who you're talking to? The bird Ratchet. Better show you some respect, nah.
Huh. This lock's controlled by a bolt crank. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room.
Oh, of course you're here.
Run!
Okay, just let me do this. Yeah, just stay. Okay, nah. Ah! Run! I'm over here. Come and get me, you fucking creature. Yeah, come on. Come over here, bro. Let me show you something. You can do something. Oh, get out of here. Squid. Yes. Bro, we're good, bro. We're good. All good, brother. All good. No worries. Have the place to yourself.
You could use some nano.
Sucker. Okay, you better not be here too.
How'd he get here so fast?
Wait, what? What? Oh, he's right there. Oh. He couldn't make it in time. How the heck did he get there? Oh gosh. You're ahead. Oh, the green guys.
Not again.
Come at me, bro. Full barrel shotgun and ya.
What is with the light?
He's right there.
Oh my gosh, he's trying to get in. Can you just put these guys over here? Get these crates.
Somewhat alarming.
Get the last guy. Last two guys. Hurry up. Alright, there you go. Okay. Hurry up, woo!
Oh, that computer just turned on. Can we take a
Oh,
look?
the computer just turned on. Gil, shut up. Get these bolts because it's pretty important, you know? You know. That doesn't matter. Yeah, bro, I think he likes you, bro. Go for it.
That was Junkbot?
And I think he was talking about juice.
Can we just go? Oh, nah. Okay, come here. Yep, this way. A little more. Stuff you later. Where did you have a good life? Live a long life. Live well. We'll go over here.
Almost there.
Get your ears, bro. Close the door.
Gotta keep my eyes open for some nanotech.
Oh, that's funny.
All right. If I were Bleeze on, where would
Bro,
I
we were
be?
down bad for some health, weren't we? We took both of those. Huh. Next minute, he's right behind this door. Oh, what?
Ratchet, are you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works.
Luckily,
Hadn't
we can
tested it in
swim.
years.
Not really, but we got these boots. Which make us float. Oh, I mean, make us stick to the ground.
Ratchet, I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the
She's
Lombat.
talking underwater right now.
Life. I had a good life on Sabali.
Alright, I gotta aim this just right.
Quiet. Even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, kid. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure it's...
It is okay. Now I can be the one who believes in you.
He's just not sure at the moment, Gil. Ooh! Oh, what are these guys up to? Let me get the shotgun. There you go. Shotgun takes care of it all.
Up ahead, an airlock.
Boom, and Mr. Crab. You can't even shoot those. Okay. Never knew that. Why is this so hard? Come on. Why is it so hard? Like where? Oh, there. Oh. Come on. Yeah, let's go. There's a dub right there. And we're in. Close the door. Open the door. Okay, I'm about to get away from this guy. Oh! What the heck?
Come on.
Bro. Try a D. Oh, girl. Get out of here. Oh, we're safe. Steal this. Oh. Hold up, bro. Let me just get these things. Hey,
You two want some new gear? I got a If Zircon Jr. wants to study existential economics at Bogon University, Then by goodness, I will make sure we can
Shoot it at
afford
your
it.
foes
I
with
will
freeze
make
them into
sure.
solid, unyielding blocks of ice. Watch as they helplessly slip and slide around, taking more damage and looking ridiculous.
Oh,
The
yeah.
Club of Doom is
Say hello to your little friends in the Club of Doom. Tiny but vicious, hungry and focused. They will follow you wherever you go. Pull the fire trigger halfway to aim and fully to deploy your love of...
Alright, cool. That one looks alright. Let's just refill the ammo.
packing heat now.
Mr. Fungi. Yeah, that one's actually pretty weird, but all good. Drill gun, ricochet gun. Okay, ricochet. I'll get the old glove of doom for the boys.
Go on. You know you want it.
Shush. Yeah, no, you're right. Okay. Let's have a look. Which one? Not that one because I can't do that. Yo, the big boy. My shotgun. Fully
Now
upgraded.
That is some
boys.
next level enforcement. Looks like you got some open sales and the raritanium to match.
Oh, that one's fully upgraded. I'll upgrade. Where is it? There it is.
You unlocked it, sugar.
Thank you, sugar.
Gotta blast some more baddies before
do
you can
more than
upgrade that one.
What's this one? What the heck? Shatter bomb. Oh yeah, no, this one's all good. Fuck, we need a sniper or something, hey. Where's the sniper? Ricochets, all good. What else should I do?
Come on back for upgrades when you level that up.
Yeah, I'll do ricochet. Why not? Cool. Alright. Easy dubs. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.